Hello everyone, today we have a 2017 Ford F-150 with the FX4 off-road package, the EcoBoost engine. And that is running smooth, so I'll go ahead and close this up and take you for a tour. See, it does have the fog lights and the tow hooks up front and the Lariat package. So that'll give you a panoramic dual sunroof, leather, and you see you have alloy wheels, tow package. Looks like you also have the tailgate step and a spray-on bedliner. I'll go ahead and add close-ups of this as well. You have a power sliding back window. All right, go ahead and take you for a tour of the interior. It does have a tan leather interior. It's a pinhole leather. You also have a 110 back here, which is super handy. And then these rear seats are heated. See, there's tons of space in this model. There's your keyless entry. 3 driver presets. There's your VIN right there. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and turn this down a little bit so you can hear me better. Come over here and you'll see that it has 109,000 miles on it. Here is your push to talk, your stereo controls, cruise controls. Then you got a push button start, your 4-wheel drive, then your trailer and controls are both together. And then you have your forward select shift and your shifter. And you have illuminated cup holders, as you see there. And then you have your remote start and your key fob. You see that you also have cooled and heated seats up front. There's your disc drive. See that you do have navigation. We jump over to audio and to sources. And you see that you have AM, FM, Sirius XM, CD, and Bluetooth. Here are your climate controls, and this is where your heated steering wheel is located. Then there are your other phone controls. You have another 110 and 12 volt up here. Okay, and then in here you have an additional power supply and stowage. Up above you're gonna have your map reading lights and your dual panoramic sunroof and your controls for that and for your power sliding back window. All right, that about wraps it up for this Lariat on the interior. This vehicle does have a branded title. There was an impact here in the front driver quarter panel as it hit an animal and went off the road, and then it also had some damage here in the passenger door. The airbag's deployed, but there's no structural damage, so we got it all fixed up. It has passed the 150-point inspection and the state of Utah safety inspection. For more inventory, visit us at tjchapmanauto.com.